I will try this. I tried to get as focused as I could. Not sure where everything's at. I'm gonna try the rotisserie again. I tried last time with the turkey that was a little too big and just wishy-washed. So I'm going to do 3 Cornish hens, or game hens, whatever you want to call them. Simple rub. I'm going to have to get them a little trussed up and spewed up in a little spigot. So we'll come here and we'll take a look at that. Hoping only hour and 15. Not sure. Never done it. So I don't want to overcook it either. So my first time doing it. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so what I did was I rinsed them off, the air drying. It rested, they come to room temp. I'm going to throw the spices on it now. And while that's setting, it's just simple. I'm not doing anything big. Simple spice rub that you like. I'm going to start the coals and then we'll go check out the grill, see what we got going later. Alright, here we are. Getting them on the spigot. I have 3 Cornish hens and one in the middle. Trying to figure out how to deviate this issue of this one just spinning. I found my metal skewers. So what I'm going to do is right along the backbone of this one, without hurting myself, hopefully. Okay, so I'm going to alternate this, shoot it right through. Hopes this will lock him in. Well, the issue is getting this last bird on. Let's see what we can do with that. I find I'm keeping my legs on the outside due to the fact. See if already got truss issues. So I didn't show you any of my truss work. Wasn't pretty, man. So I had an issue with these legs here. I'm gonna try and tie off. Not sure how I'm gonna do that. Keep it stable. So let's see. Watch me hack this one up. That's better time. So I might have problems during my cook because I'm not a truss master, obviously, or a pit master. Some dude cooking on his grills. Alright, so hopefully that one will last. We'll find out as we cook. I'm going to bring this one in. Alright. Okay, here's set up. Pretty basic. Some coal wood, and I actually threw some lava rock in there because I really don't want too much of a high temp. I want a rotisserie. So as you can see, a little small piece of wood fired up. I'm going to burn off. I'm going to throw the Cornish hens on. We'll take a look once I get them racked up. See you soon. That metal and it'll like flop down here in a minute. Yeah, that dangly might have an issue. I somehow truss that up. Alright, we're back. Had to move the grill. Lawn's getting mowed. So anyway, we're gonna try that. So I'm not sure you see the flamage. My first time doing this. So I keep it on the temp screwed. I don't have a vent on this. See, I salvaged this grill just for this reason, for rotisserie. But nothing. you know, vent, no control. So alright, well, we're about 40 minutes in. Trying to get out of the shade. It's pretty sweet. Trying to get some close-ups here. My retruss on this one right there, that center one that was giving me issue, seems to have held. I suppose I should watch. Alright, let's get a close-up of this. Retruss of that center one seems to have held. I don't have the double legs coming back down. Give me a flyby. And I'm not sure. I'm gonna say another 20 minutes. At least till I check count. So let's get some shots. Talk to you later.